You told people to stop taking fentanyl and go back to crack.
Crack. Fentanyl killing all the junkies who been junkies. I'm talking, it's killing the junkies who been junkies for forever. Soon as they hit it, they dead. Crackhead, this nigga shoot threes, this nigga shoot basketball, run 100 miles, this nigga fix your car motor, this motherfucker still running around the neighborhood. When have you ever heard crackheads hitting the pipe and dying the first time?
Never.
Never! This fentanyl shit is different. I would much rather crack. I would much rather. I've been seeing my crackhead people for 30 years. This nigga hit fentanyl 2 times. He's gone. You never see him again.